Location-based reminders can be created on a Mac, but you'll probably use your iPhone or iPad to receive the alerts for location-based reminders. No Mac includes a GPS chip or cellular data. It only gets its location via Wi-Fi, which is difficult to access while on the go. For this example, let's create a reminder called Drop Off Package at UPS. Then we can click the Add Location button below. Only a few default options are listed here, such as my current location, my home and work addresses, as well as getting in or out of my car. These will only work if the device in the car, most likely an iPhone, is paired with the car via Bluetooth or connected via CarPlay. If I selected Getting in the car, the next time I head out to the garage and get in my vehicle, an alert will appear for this reminder, as long as I have my iPhone with me. Instead, let's open the info panel. Activate the location toggle, and we have the same suggestions, but can also enter an address or search for a location. I'm going to do a search for the nearest UPS store. Select one and that location is added. We can then set the reminder alert to trigger when arriving at the location or when leaving it. We want the alert to trigger when arriving in this case. In the circle on the map, we can drag the blue handle to adjust the radius of the circle. This represents the point at which the reminder will be triggered. When I drive by here, I'll be on Eagle Road, so I want to make sure to expand the circle enough to allow plenty of time and distance for the reminder to be triggered and me to notice the alert on my iPhone. Location-based reminders can be super useful in helping you to remember what errands you need to run and where.